Why is our industry different from the IT? As in, a simple thought that I have always is, in IT, the bigger organizations have this habit of knowledge sharing much faster. Like anything the Googles or the Apples does, it easily, percolates into smaller organizations as well, and they also start growing in those lines. But in our industry, I feel that doesn't happen. What does an IQVR does, what does a bigger firm like that does, never comes into us easily.
You're saying that knowledge sharing, whether it's good practices, do's, don'ts, between the CRO industry is not as prevalent, evident, available as it is in the bigger tech firms. I'm not sure that's the right comparison.
Okay.
And I honestly don't know whether it's really true in the Googles and the Microsofts. They all compete, whether it's cloud or they all have competitive products.
Correct.
And I think the CRO space also, we also all go after different kinds of studies.
Correct.
The learnings from what I learned on one study from an IQVR to a Parexel to learn from each other how to better do monitoring visits. I think there are better standards coming up, and the sharing is improving is what I feel. For example, today it's the industry that's working with the governments, be it in India, be it in EU, to talk about what should be the regulatory framework when you have used AI to design your protocol. What should be the regulatory framework when there is a lot of AI involved in monitoring of your visits? Are you ensuring safety? Where have these guidelines come from? These guidelines have come from industry. People who've done these studies, when they've had learnings, they are coming together to provide these governance, and these are then shared in an open forum for people to contribute. I would highly also recommend organizations to participate, whether it's ISCR, whether it's other organizations that are contributing to kind of similar to NASSCOM. What is NASSCOM? NASSCOM is a platform where different tech folks are coming together and sharing how AI will change the way you hire, how AI will change the way you develop, deploy, right? We have similar platforms. They've not grown to that scale, but it's there. People are thinking about the impact.
Okay.
So it's happening. The speed will increase as and when, I guess, we start implementing AI a lot more. I love the way the EU guidelines have come in now. For when you use AI on your studies. How does that change the way you get monitored? What is looked at when you're audited? Are you really ensuring inclusion? How do you ensure patient safety? Everything is being looked at very closely.